Hi children, this session is a material reading session. Today's material reading session we are going to learn the Unit 2 poem The Listener remaining part of the exercises as well as we are going to learn the Unit 2 supplementary reader. Understand children? Listen carefully. Figure of speech. Fourth Roman, figure of speech. Figure of speech. A figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses separate meaning from its literal definition. For examples, alliteration, simile, assonance, etc. Personification, metaphor, oxymoron. Understand? Epithet. Many figure of speeches are there, children. In the last class, I taught you what is meant by figure of speech. Figure of speech is a word which gives the separate meaning of the sentence. Yeah, figure of speech is the ornament of the poem lines. And the next one, pick out the words. A. Pick out the words alliterated. Example, of the forest's ferny floor. Yeah, the repetition sounds of the consonant words. The repetition sounds of the consonant words which are placed in the same line of the verse is called alliteration. Understand? Here, forest F begins with F consonant, ferny F consonant, floor F consonant. How many alliterated words are there in the poem line, children? In the verse of the line, children, 3 words. The alliterated words foresters, ferny, floor. And the next one, write the words which are used to create a sense of mystery. Yeah, the poem is a mystery poem, isn't it? Mystery. The poem is fully filled with the mystery. Silence, phantom, listeners, and lone house, dog stare, empty hall, lonely traveler, lonely traveler, empty hall, lonely traveler, no one descended, no head. Yeah, the poem is full of mystery. Understand children? Yeah, next one, answer the following questions. In the last class we learned the first 3 questions. Remaining 2 questions were two questions last class we did not learn. Now we are going to learn the 4th and 5th question. How did the traveler feel when nobody answered? The traveler felt confused. The traveler felt confused and stood still when nobody answered him. Yeah, he had a lot of confusion because nobody answered his call. 5th one, what kind of feeling does the poem create? The poem creates a mystical, lonely, strange, eerie feeling. Eerie feeling. Eerie feeling. Understand children? Let us continue to learn the next Roman. Listen carefully. Unit 2 supplementary reader, the red-headed league. Read the passage and answer the given questions. Supplementary reader comprehension. Supplementary reader paragraph is given. We are asked to pick out the answer from this paragraph paragraph for the following questions. When Watson arrives, he finds 2 other men there. Peter Jones, an inspector from Scotland Yard, and Mr. Merryweather, a bank director. Holmes takes them to a branch of the city and suburban bank, a branch located in the same district as Wilson's pawn shop. There they enter the valets of the bank where Merryweather shows them a shipment of 30,000 gold coins they have recently received from the Bank of France. Holmes says that they may have some time to wait and they sit quietly in the dim vault. Understand? Dim vault. First question, what was the name of the inspector from the Scotland Yard? Mr. Peter Jones was the name of the inspector from the Scotland Yard. Who was Mr. Merryweather? Mr. Merryweather was a bank director. Third one, where did Holmes take Mr. Jones and Mr. Merryweather? Holmes took them to the vault of branch of a bank located in the same district as Wilson's pawn shop. Understand? Holmes took Mr. Jones and Mr. Merryweather. Understand? To the vault of the branch of the bank. branch of a bank located in the same district as Wilson pawn shop. Who all went to the bazaar? Holmes, Mr. Jones, Dr. Watson, and Mr. Merryweather went to the bank. Fifth one, what did Mr. Merryweather show them at the vault of the bank? At the vault of the bank, Mr. Merryweather showed them a shipment of 30,000 gold coins that they had recently received from the Bank of France. Fifth question, why did Holmes and others wait at the dim vault? Holmes and the others were waiting at the dim vault of the bank to catch the thieves. Next Roman, rearrange the jumbled sentences. Yeah, if you do not know the story, it's too difficult to answer to the question, children. You should learn the story scene wise. First scene, second scene, third scene. How many scenes are there? 3 scenes, you know. First one, then Holmes knocks the door of the shop and meets Sperling. Second one, Holmes and Watson go to Wilson's shop at Saxon Coburg Square. Holmes noticed the dirty trousers of Sperling. Fourth one, Dr. Watson visits the apartment of his friend Sherlock Holmes. Fifth one, Holmes suspected crime and goes to look the road behind the shop. Sixth one, Holmes hits the ground outside the shop with his walking stick. Seventh one, Dr. Watson listens to the unusual story of Jabez Wilson. Understand? Jabez Wilson was the owner of the pawn shop, you know, children. In 7 lines are employed in the first scene. Understand? First one, Dr. Watson visits the apartment of his friend Sherlock Holmes. First one, Dr. Watson listens to the unusual story of Jabez Wilson. Third one, Holmes and Watson go to Wilson's shop at Saxon Coburg Square. Fourth one, Holmes hits the ground outside the shop with his walking stick. Fifth one, then Holmes knocks the door of the shop and meets Sperling. Sixth one, Holmes noticed the dirty trousers of Sperling. Seventh one, Holmes suspected crime and goes to look the road behind the shop. Do you all understand, children? Do you all understand the theme of the supplementary reader? Do you all understand the material reading part? Thank you, children.